walk right in. Here's the first line of Walk Right In. I'm going to use all down picks for the bass notes for all of these rundowns and up downs. I think it sounds cleaner on the 12 string. So I'm going to start out with a little climb up on the E string, taking us up to the A. Now here's the A. Now I'm going to climb back down to the F sharp. So I'm going to go A, now the 6th string, G sharp, G, E, then in comes my F sharp chord. Then here's the B7, E7, A, and now this lick. Ba, 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 ba. 4th fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, open, E string now, da, da, F sharp, B. Line 2, quite a bit the same as line 1. The difference there is the B7 is longer and the E7 is longer. So I got here that bass note here for the B chord. Then I alternate to the 6th string, that F sharp note, 2nd fret. Then I'm filling in just a little 6th string, 4th fret, 2nd fret, and putting a little touch of rhythm on the E chord to fill that in. That's basically it. Line 3. Line 3 is a little different. Kind of goes like this. Okay, so what I'm doing there, I'm using my thumb, rocking back and forth on that thumb there on the 6th string at the 2nd fret. So I've got, for the bass notes, all downstrokes, 5 open, 6th string, thumb at the 2nd fret, open, and then another little then a similar thing again. By that point I'm using my index, I kind of let the thumb go there, and then I've got this lick. 5th string, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open, 6th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, open. And that last is the 6th string, open, 1st fret, 2nd fret. Doing all that with the index finger. Then with the D7 chord, I'm giving that a little rhythm too. And when I do that rhythm, I'm trying to make it a little bit sharp, like da-da-da-da-da. And here's line 4. I lead into line 4 with maybe something like on the 6th string. And then it's the same as we're going in as the first line. And then at this point I'm going to add a little lick in here. 4th string, 4th fret, 2nd fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 3rd fret. I'm just going to slide my finger. So what I got there is I've got 2nd fret, 5th string, 5th string, 4th fret, 4th string open, 1st fret, and then 2nd fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 2nd fret, 6th, 3rd fret. So here's the whole song, and let's have a little fun with it. I'll go around once just through the first section, the first line, use that as an intro, then we'll sing a verse, then we'll play the whole thing through. Here we go. Walk right in. Walk right in, sit right down, Daddy, let your mind roll on. Walk right in, sit right down, Daddy, let your mind